making pasta.
Yeah, Maya's gonna make her lunch. Yeah, she's making pasta with sauce. Okay, you're gonna put some more. Maybe 1 cup. There you go. That's good. Okay, she's gonna put the pasta in there now. Okay.
Hands already on.
You
turned it off.
It's not okay. Go ahead and yan ang kakainin niya, pasta with sauce. Okay.
Okay, everybody. I'm using this kind of sauce, ragu. It's made with onions, basil, garlic, and other spices.
Yeah, so
I didn't used to eat onions, but now I do because this has onions in it. I didn't taste it because it's already mixed in there.
yes, yeah, okay. So this is what she's gonna use. The sauce, got everything already in there.
Yes.
Okay,
It's already
so we're gonna wait our pasta done. There, it's boiling right now. Okay, see you in a little bit. Okay, there you go. Amaya is draining the pasta already and she's putting it back to the pot.
And put it back here so it stays warm.
Now she's adding the tomato sauce.
It's ragu.
Ragu sauce, yeah. Okay, that's good. Okay, now
it's time to
she's mixing it. She's mixing it.
Mixing it in
Go.
good
Now
so it can get all over.
You need more sauce in it?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
She's adding a little bit more sauce. Okay, that's good.
Now mix it. Yeah, look at that. Ooh.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay. There's Amaya. Okay, now she's gonna get her plate.
Have my plate.
So that's her lunch. There. She's a big girl now. She knows how to make her food. There you go.
Yeah, this year I'm turning 10. And I'm gonna keep it
So are you
over
gonna
here.
put some cheese on it?
Yeah, I'm gonna get the Parmesan cheese and put some on it.
Okay. She's using the mini tools. Step tool.
Yay, Parmesan cheese. I'm
Okay.
going to sprinkle a little bit on it.
Okay. Wow. Cheese is good. Okay. So you get ready to eat your lunch. Go. Okay.
Now it's time to try it.
She's gonna try to eat it.
It's good.
They're good?
Especially with the Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan cheese and with orange juice. Okay.
Thank you everyone for watching and please subscribe.
Like and share. Thank you everyone. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang luto ni Amaya.